Hi, this is Lalit from Toronto School of Management. We are a private DLI institution centrally located in the downtown area of Toronto, offering a wide range of programs including business, hospitality, digital marketing, cybersecurity, data analytics, and accounting, along with guaranteed paid work opportunities and amazing pathway options. We have students from more than 100 countries, which helps us to maintain great diversity at our campus. Canam Consultants is one of our preferred partners and working very closely with us. We make an incompatible combination of service in the education industry due to which the application proceeds seamlessly. I would prefer to meet you at their events in Hyderabad on 17th of April and Bengaluru on 28th of April. Thank you.